ማለት ነው። Question number 51. There dash conflict between the two rival parties since 2022. By the way, dash ምላችሁ በጣም ስለሚቻለው dash ይባላል እና blank ምንድነው በእንግሊዘኛው dash is more formal. There dash conflict between the two rival parties since 2022. A has had, B was, C had been, D has been. The answer is has been, but why not A has had? Has had is awkward, is construction. Awkward. የሚባል ወርድ ታውቃላችሁ? This is awkward. Awkward. በዚህ construction እሱ አይገባም። B was simple past ነው። simple past አይገባም። They blank a conflict between the two rival parties since 2022 ማለት perfect tense ነው የሚያመለክተው። perfect tense ነው የሚያመለክተው። perfect tense ማለት ድሮም ሲተገበር የነበረ ከመቼ ጀምሮ from 2022 still እስካሁንም ያለ መሆኑን ያለ since ካለች ምንድነው ማለት ነው? present perfect ነው ማለት ነው። so ለዚህ present perfect ከሆነ ደግሞ has or had plus verb 3 እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። sorry has or had plus verb 3 ያለው አማራጭ እንፈልጋለን። ስለዚህ ኤ እና ቢ አይሆንም። ሲ እና ዲ እንደ ፈተና ስንሰራም በዚህ መልኩ ነው። had been and has been. Is it present perfect or past perfect? Is present perfect. There is no any past time here. Instead it is present perfect. So the answer is D, has been. Question number 52. She blank for 3 hours before the exam started. A has been studying, B had studied, C had been studying, D has studied. Okay, here she blank for 3 hours, okay, before the exam started. clue የሚባል ነገር እንጠቀማለን እዚህ ጋር continuous action መሆኑን የሚያመለክት word አለ። she blank for 3 hours ማለት እስከ 3 ሰዓት ድረስ so ምን አለ ማለት ነው? continuous action አለ። እነዚህ ፐርፌክቶች አሉ። past perfectም present perfectም forን ይጠቀማሉ since እና for but before the exam started ትላለች before the exam started። ስለዚህ continuous የሆነ action past action ነበረ። before ካለ ደግሞ past ነው የምንጠቀመው። እዚህ ጋር before ማለት past ነው። so ፈተና ከመጀመሩ አስቀድሞ ለ3 ሰዓት ያክል እያነበበ ነበረ እንደማለት ነው። A has been studying. It's present perfect. rather ፈተና ተፈትኖ ስላለፈ ወይም ደግሞ still እስካሁን ስራው ስላልቀጠለ has been studying አይሆንም። A has been studying ሊሆን የሚችለው መቼ ነው? ፈተናው ያነበበ እስካሁን ፈተና ለፈተና እየተዘጋጀ ቢሆን ኖሮ present action starts from the past present perfect ይሆን ነበር። አሁን ግን ሳይሆንም B had studied. had studied is not a continuous action. had studied already completed የሆነ action ነው እንጂ continuous አይሆንም። B is not correct. C had been studying. It's not also so D has studied ይላል። መልሱ no መልሱ C ነው። had been studying continuous action ነው ብለናልኝ። continuous action የሚገለጸው ደግሞ been plus verb 3 ነው። why not be has been studying past አይደለም ብለናልኝ። why not be past? it is before the exam started in essence ኤግዛሙ አብቅቷን ተጨርሷል። ስለዚህ past perfect continuous ይሆናል። ይሄ past perfect continuous ማለት ነው። Question number 53. She dislikes dash banana. Eating to eat. This is the simplest question. Dislike gerund verb ነች. If you know about gerund verb plus verb ing ነው የምንጠቀመው። So the answer is C. If the weather conditions dash good tomorrow, we dash is first blank space swim for the second blank space will be are swimming be swim is will swim እያለ ይቀጥላል። for the sake of ambiguity, just we filter how each choices are fit for this. So is swim ይላል ያንደኛው it's not correct answer swim አይሆንም እዚህ ጋር if the weather condition if the weather condition is good tomorrow we swim ጥሩ ከሆነ ነገ swim እናደርጋለን it's not correct tense ለወደፊት we swim አይባልም ነገ የሚሆነው we will swim ነው የሚባለው so because of this is not answer will መምጣት ነበረባት ለነገ ስለሆነ we swim በየትኛው መንገድ for present ከሆነ ለfuture አይሆንም will be are swimming now ይሄ reversed የሆነ ቴንስ ነው ያለው አይሆንም will be good tomorrow ቢባል እንኳን if the weather condition will be good tomorrow we are swimming ነገ አይባልም ለነገ we are swimming አይባልም will be swimming ነው የሚባለው are present continuous ስለሆነ see be swim it's not also we swim ስለማይባል እዚህ ጋር swim ብናስገባ አይሆንም so መልስ አይሆንም D is will swim the answer is D the answer is D
Did you subscribe? Please click it. Thank you for your focus.